Our next model on brasstrains.com is item number 060921. This is a New Haven RS-2 diesel engine switcher in the McGinnis paint scheme. The road number is 0514, and this comes to us from Division Point and is built in Korea by A-Train Model. It says factory paint. The passenger version is a smooth runner with window glazing installed, directional lighting, and lighted number boards. And we'll show you its performance on track. And this model is available at brasstrains.com. The item number is 060921.